Hey Internet, welcome to Thermodynamics tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. We're trying to solve the simultaneous equation. As you can see, we've got two equations, two unknowns. So first equation, x to the power 4 minus y cubed is equal to 6.9. Equation 2, 4 multiplied by x multiplied by y plus y is equal to 4.5. Note that the pinned comment has both EES and Python, just in case you don't have one of them. Okay, step 1 we skip because there is no free body diagram. Step 2 lists all the unknowns and the given. So what's given is the equation, the unknowns is x and y. Step 3, EES code, the engineering equation solver. So you just plug it in. This is the format for this simultaneous equation. You plug that in and you hit run and you'll get an answer, which is step 4, find x and y. So 1.6331 and y is equal to 0.5974, so that's x and y respectively. They are unitless in this instance, and in this context, this is just a math example. Alright, step 5. If you don't have EES, while most universities do provide EES, if your university doesn't have one, or have the license for EES, just use Python code. So once again, it's in the pinned comment. You can just copy and paste and just change the variables. In this case, this is for two equation simultaneous for Python. So just change up the numbers. Everything else is the same. Okay. And that is how you use Python and EES to solve two equation simultaneous equation. Disclaimers: the method is correct, however I do make calculation mistakes. I encourage you to solve it yourself and see if you get the same answer. You can compare your manual working with your code as well. Before we leave, I highly encourage you to save this video onto your PC, just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. You can do this by using snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, you can follow these steps. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. So click on the icon on your taskbar. If it's not on your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, click on it, open it up. We've got click on video option, so click on here, then click on new, left click and drag your rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Then hit the start button in your snipping tool, wait for the countdown, then hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish, hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording, then save your video to where you want. Alright, so like and subscribe, share with your friends, because this is a made up question. Your friends might not be able to find it. If you got questions, comments, or if you found a mistake in this video, put it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.